Let's see how you can actually build a QR code Instagram chatbot to get people to your Instagram DMs. So the idea is that when they scan the QR code, it will take them directly to the Instagram DMs and you can actually activate the chatbot over there. Alright, so here I'm in a demo account. The first step is to connect your Instagram account right here. So if you click on channels option, it will take you directly to settings, channels, where you can easily choose Instagram and simply log in with your Instagram account and connect it right here. So if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Instagram account. So choose connect, log in with your Instagram account, make sure all these permissions are allowed, and then simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram, and here you can also set up specific conversation starters as well. So conversation starters provide a way for users to start a conversation with your business with a list of frequently asked questions. So here you can set up predefined messages over there. If they are DMing for the first time, they will see those buttons over there, so they can tap on those buttons and simply start the conversation as well. So let's set up one conversation starter to trigger this specific flow right here. So let me go to the flow section and use one existing flow as well. So let me use this one, phone number capture SMS marketing. So here we actually collect their specific phone number to get the special discount. So let me set up a conversation starter right here for that. So conversation starters, click on edit over here. So here let me add the question. So you can even add any sort of buttons, titles as well. For example, get special discounts. Here you can even add any sort of emojis as well. For example, let me add this emoji as well. All right, and here you have to select the flow. So the flow name is right here. So here let me go back to the flow section and show you the flow. So the flow name is phone number capture plus SMS marketing. So let me make sure this is published. All right, so let me search for this one, phone number capture plus SMS marketing. So this one, so this is the exact flow right here. All right, and click on this plus icon. All right, so it has been added right here. Let me click save as well. So when someone scans the QR code and open the Instagram DMs, they will see this sort of button right there, and you can also set up the QR code as well. So here go to the flow section and open the specific flow we have right here. So this is the flow, and if you want to create the QR code for the Instagram, click on this three dots over here and click on get published link, and here we want to get the link for the Instagram. So we want to run this automation on Instagram, so copy that specific link over here. All right, so it has been copied. So now you can go back to the marketing tools over here and choose magic links over here. All right, and here you can add the link and the URL as well. So the published URL I just copied is this one. So this is the Instagram right there, and you can add any sort of name as well. For example, so let me add the name as IG QR code discount. All right, so that is the name right here. So now if you click on this option here, you can see get QR code. So this is the QR code right there. So if you scan this QR code, it will take you directly to the Instagram DM, and then it will simply send those automated messages as well. So here I'm in Instagram and I have received this message right here. So here it sent me the first message in the flow. So let me say yes, send me, and from there it will simply ask them to provide the specific phone number right there. So let me provide a phone number as well, 243-5673. all right, and then it will simply let them know we have sent you the SMS right there. So now it simply asks them to confirm the phone number. So let me say yes, that's correct phone number. All right, then it will send the SMS and let them know we have sent the discount coupon through the SMS as well. So let's see what happens over here. Perfect, your discount has been sent via SMS now. Please check your message shortly. Thank you for your interest. Simple as that. So now if you go to the unified inbox over here, you see all these chats happen right here. Simple as that. And here is the SMS sent to the customer right there. So it simply says save 10% off, and the website address as well. So yeah, this is the exact SMS I have received right here. All right, and here if you don't have a previous chat history on Instagram, then it will show the specific conversation start button we have set up right here, and from there also they can jump in and get the specific discount coupon as well. So for now let me go to the Instagram and delete that specific chat over there so that we can check how that specific conversation starter look like. So let me remove the chat on the Instagram app and let me go back to this unified inbox and delete the chat as well. Alright, I have deleted both of these chats from the unified inbox and also the Instagram profile as well. So now let me open the Instagram right here and show you. So here, if they scan the QR code, it will open the specific Instagram page and message option over there. And now it would show the specific discount coupon as well. So it says get special discount. So instead of they typing a message, it shows this button, and from there they can simply tap in and initiate the specific same automation as well. So that's also another option when you have the conversation starter set up. When they don't have the previous chat, it will help them to initiate the chat using the specific conversation starter right here. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build an Instagram QR code chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.